Propranolol is the most commonly prescribed non-selective beta-blocker medication in the U.S. Doctors typically prescribe propranolol to treat cardiovascular conditions like high blood pressure, chest pains or angina, irregular heartbeats, and at times even migraines. Another condition that propranolol is sometimes used for is benign essential tremors, a disorder that can cause uncontrolled shaking in the arms, hands, or torso. Propranolol is not usually the first line of treatment against something like high blood pressure. Doctors may first recommend lifestyle changes, such as eating less sodium-rich foods, exercising, managing stress, etc. Propranolol may then be prescribed if lifestyle changes fail, or if a doctor thinks that a beta blocker may be a good complement to any lifestyle adjustments. Doctors may also prescribe propranolol to increase someone's chances of survival after a heart attack or heart failure. Beta blockers like propranolol work by blocking the effects of adrenergic hormones, such as adrenaline, in the body. Adrenaline typically produces an elevated heart rate, so by blocking adrenaline, beta blockers actively reduce stress on the heart and lower blood pressure. Using propranolol for anxiety purposes is an off-label use of the medication, meaning it's being used for a purpose other than what it was medically designated to do. For this reason, you should only use propranolol off-script with the help and guidance of a medical professional. Disclaimer: this is not medical advice. The effective dose for pretty much any beta blocker, or any prescription medication for that matter, will typically vary from person to person, as our individual bodies are likely to react to any beta blocker a little differently. However, the dosages that we talk about in this video can stand as a baseline that will help in your search to provide sufficient anxiety relief. Please be sure to follow a licensed doctor or medical professional's advice when taking beta blockers or any prescription medication for anxiety. And if you're concerned about any potential side effects or downsides that might come with prescription beta blockers, consider trying a natural alternative supplement like ours, which is called PerformZen. There's a link in the description where you can learn all about PerformZen and how it's become the secret weapon for professional performers who need to overcome performance anxiety and stage fright. With that said, let's get to the recommended dosages. Recommended propranolol dosage for anxiety. Propranolol in tablet form ranges in strength from 10 mg tablets to 160 mg. It also may be prescribed in liquid form. However, this is most often used for infants, so we'll only talk about propranolol in tablet form here. Adult propranolol doses for things like hypertension, angina, and arrhythmia generally range from 40 mg to 320 mg per day, depending on the condition. That may be split into several doses per day. The recommended propranolol dose for anxiety is not as high, at between 10 mg to 40 mg per day. 10 mg may be enough to see relief from any anxiety symptoms. If not, it is generally safe to increase the dosage up to 40 mg. However, keeping to the smallest dose that proves effective will help minimize any side effects. An all-natural beta blocker alternative. If you're looking for a natural, fast-acting, and easily available solution that can support focus, calmness, and cognition, then you should check out our supplement, PerformZen. Many of our customers use PerformZen as an excellent natural alternative to beta blockers, and we have plenty of reviews showing how our customers use it to counteract the negative side effects of performance anxiety and stage fright. We made PerformZen specifically to help performers stay calm under pressure so that they can deliver excellent speeches, crush presentations at work, or up on stage in front of crowds, and look super well practiced and confident during performances of all kinds, from music and singing to things like stand-up comedy. I really think you'll like PerformZen, and you can find out all about it on our website using the link in the description, or Google PerformZen, and we are the first result. Click that subscribe button and check out the rest of the videos on our channel for strategies, medication analysis, and tactics for overcoming anxiety in different forms, like social anxiety, performance anxiety, flying anxiety, and stage fright. And if you want to know what the recommended dosage is for several other beta blockers, then check out these videos that we've published. Good luck in your fight against anxiety, and we'll see you in the next video.